Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a section header inside of REDCap. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is go into Designer here under Project Home and Design. Then from here we need to click on the instrument where you'd like to add that section header. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here for this demonstration. Then from here, go ahead and scroll down and place in where you would like to add that section header. So for this example, I want to put it in here between install date and participant time zone. So I want to click on add field. And then from here, I'm going to click on the drop down where it says field type. Now we want to go ahead and click on where it says begin new section. Then from here, we need to put a field label in. So I'm just going to put in new section for this demonstration. You can use the rich editor, text editor too if you want, so you can like make it bold and all that fun stuff. You can even make it larger. I might make this a bit bigger too, and I might even change the color if it's going to allow me. All right, I'm going to go ahead and highlight it and choose a different color. I'm going to use red. Then from here, basically go ahead and click on save, and that's going to save that section header.